Enter to the motherfucking game.
Good day guys! So for today, pag-aaralan natin ang Polya's 4 step of problem solving. So before moving to our discussion, these are the objectives that we must obtain. So first, define the Polya's 4 step of problem solving. Number 2, select an appropriate strategy to solve the problem. Number 3, solve a problem using the Polya's 4 steps. So let's start. One of the major problems of a student in mathematics is on how to solve worded problems correctly and accurately. Sometimes they have difficulty understanding and grasping the main idea of a problem on how to deal with it and to solve it. It is very important that there is always a clear understanding on how to solve problems, most especially in mathematics as a course. Therefore, in this Polya's 4 step in solving problem, we will be learning on how to solve mathematical problem in a different way. Before moving to our topic, first, I will introduce to you the mathematician who make a study of problem solving. He is George Polya. He is also known as the father of problem solving. He made fundamental contribution in combinatories, number theory, numerical analysis, and probability theory. His major contribution is for his work in problem solving. He is also noted for his works in heuristics and mathematics education. Heuristic, a Greek word, means that find or discover, refers to experience-based techniques for problem solving, learning, and discovery that gives a solution which is not guaranteed to be optimal. The George Polya's problem-solving method are as follows. Step 1. Understand the problem. This part of Polya's 4-step strategy is often overlooked. You must have a clear understanding of the problem. To help you focus on understanding the problem, consider the following questions. These are some questions that you may be asked to yourself before you solve the problem. Step 2. Devise a plan. Sometimes it is necessary for us that to be able to solve a problem in mathematics, we need to devise a plan. Just like a civil engineer that before he construct a building, he needs to do a floor plan for a building that he wants to build. To be able to succeed to solve a problem, you could use different techniques or way in order to get a positive result. Here are some techniques that could be used. You could use one of these or a combination to be able to solve the problem. Step 3. Carry out the plan. After we devise the plan, the next question is, how are we going to carry out the plan? Now, to be able to carry out the plan, the following suggestions could help us in order to solve a problem. Step 4. Look back or review the solution. Just like on what you do in solving worded problems in algebra, you should always check if your answer is correct or not. You need to review the solution that you have made. How will you check your solution? The following could be your guide. As it was mentioned in this lesson, these are different strategies that you could employ or use to solve a problem. These strategies will help you to solve the problem easily. These are the following strategies that you could be used. Number 1. Draw a picture, diagram, table, or charts. Label this with correct information or data that you could see in the problem. Sometimes, There are hidden information that is very much important also to solve the problem. So, be cautious. Number 2, identify the known and unknown quantities. Choose appropriate variable identifying unknown quantities. For example, the unknown quantity is height. You could use h as your variable. Number 3, you have to be systematic. Number 4, just like on what we have in devising a plan, look for a pattern and try to solve a similar but simple problem. Number 5, sometimes guessing is okay. There is no problem in guessing and it is not bad idea to be able to begin in solving a problem. In guessing, you could examine how close is your guess based on the given problem. Here, I will be giving you an example for you to clearly understand the use of Polya's 4 steps. My sister has 10 balloons, while my baby brother has thrice the balloon of my sister. How many balloons does my baby brother have? So, we need to understand the problem or the step 1. So, we are looking of how many balloons does the baby brother have. We will let x to be the number. Step 2, devise a plan. So, 10 is multiplied by 3 is equal to x, where 10 is the number of balloons that the sister have, while 3 represents the word thrice. Step 3, carry out the plan. X is equal to 10 times 3, then we will get an answer of 30. Step 4, look back or review the solution. When 10 balloons is multiplied thrice, we will get the answer of 30. So, the final answer is that the baby brother has 30 balloons. That is thrice of his sister's number of balloons. So that's all for today's video. I hope that you have learned something from me. Thank you for watching.